Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin 1 inch currently trading around the $0.38 level. 1 inch has declined more than 85% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month of 2022, we saw 1 inch lose more than 26.6% of its value. So how high can 1 inch go in 2023 if we start pumping to the upside? If we continue dumping to gobbling town, how low can 1 inch probably go before the end of 2023? In this video, we'll be taking a look at the 1 inch US dollar price chart on the 3-day time frame. We'll also be looking at 1 inch performance against Bitcoin, 1 inch performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at 1 inch market cap. Currently, 1 inch has a market cap of $297 million. Where are key levels where 1 inch might face resistance if we're pumping to the upside in 2023? If we're dumping to gobbling town, how low can 1 inch go before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All coins are down bad in the last 1 year. 1 inch is down more than 85% in the last 1 year, but that's expected in the bear market. In the bear market, we see all coins dumping to gobbling town after the huge bull run we had. We had a very huge bull run in 2020 and 2021 where all coins were pumping to the moon. But in 2022, we saw a lot of those altcoins dump to gobbling town. Solana, that was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull run, lost more than 94% of its value in 2022. The graph went down 91%. Immutable X went down 92%. Fantom went down 92%. Sand and Mana went down more than 90%. Even Ethereum, the king of altcoins in the market, went down more than 68.2% in the last 1 year. Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town, or are we going to catch a reversal to the upside for 1 inch? We have seen 1 inch get to an all-time high of $7.79, and that was in May 2021. Since then, it has been gradually dumping to gobbling town, and currently 1 inch network is currently down. And currently 1 inch network is down 95.2% in 607 days. Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling down in 2023? Is the bear market over? 2023 is going to be the great year of accumulation. Yes, we saw 1 inch network pump in the bull market. We saw it go from as low as $0.76 pumping to a new all-time high of $7.9, going up more than 944% in just 128 days. All coins are very volatile that way. They can pump really well to the moon, but when they start dumping to gobbling town, it can be pretty aggressive. It can be pretty wild. We've seen Chainlink go below the $1 region. That happened in May 2022. We saw Chainlink hovering around the $1 region. We finally broke below $1 in the 10th of May 2022, and that's one critical level to pay attention to for Chainlink in 2023. I believe at some point in time in 2023, we're going to see Chainlink rally up back to that $1 region. To take a 153% pump for us to get there. But another important place we want to pay attention to before to get to the $1 region, we have to see if Chainlink can actually pass the $0.53 region. We saw Chainlink forming a floor around $0.53 from June 2022. Ultimately, we broke below that floor in November 2022, setting new all-time lows. So Chainlink might go below the $0.37 region, but if we start rallying up to higher prices, the first line in the sand that we need Chainlink to blast above will be the $0.53 region. Will Chainlink go above $0.53 in 2023, or are we going to see Chainlink further dumping to gobbling town? Guys, from the all-time high Chainlink set in May 2021, if we see it dumping to gobbling town in 2023, maybe, just maybe, we might see Chainlink even drop to as low as the $0.15 level. If Chainlink is dropping to the $0.15 level in 2023, it will mean from the all-time high that Chainlink set in May 2021, Chainlink will be down 98% from that all-time high. And that's normal for all coins in the bear market. We've seen a lot of altcoins drop 98% from their all-time high. But what we like altcoins is that they can recover all those losses by the end of the next bull run and even go to set new all-time highs. From where Chainlink is currently trading right now, if we were to see a magic in the altcoin market, everything is going to the moon and Chainlink wants to set new all-time highs, which means $1,000 invested in Chainlink right now should return over $17,000 if we see it breaking into new all-time highs. If If we see Chainlink rallying up in 2023, other key levels to pay attention to where we might face some heavy resistance as we're pumping to higher prices. We might see Chainlink get to the $1.95 region, but from where we're currently trading right now, for Chainlink to rally that high in 2023, we'll have to see it go up 428%, which is possible. And at this price point, I believe a lot of people will be saying the bull market is back, we're pumping to the moon. Ultimately, I believe we're going to see altcoins dumping to goblin town. Nobody knows where the bottom will come in. The bottom is going to come in maybe, just maybe, at some point in time in 2023. But guys, very important warning. If you're going to be buying altcoins in the bear market, you have to know that it can keep dumping to goblin town. So the fact that you're buying them doesn't mean because you have bought, they'll stop dumping. Nobody knows the exact bottom. But the best way to accumulate altcoins through the bear market is to dollar cost average bit by bit through the bear market. Since we won't know where the bottom will come in, you don't want to go all in. You want to be buying as the price keeps going down. So if you see the price reverse and start going up, you still have some capital. You can still get in, but you want to preserve your capital in the bear market so that you can get over to the other side where the bull market will come and will be pumping to the moon. If you take a look at what 1inch has done in the last 1 year, we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $2.64 to as low as $0.37. 1inch has a market cap of $296 million, a fully liquid market cap of $570 million. It has a circulating supply of 780 million tokens out of a total supply of 1.5 billion tokens. 1inch is currently ranked 84 on CoinMarketCap with over 303,000 people having this altcoin on their watch list. If you take a look at 1inch performance in the last 1 year, it has been nothing to write home about. But in 2023, we'll be expecting a rally in the altcoin market. So maybe, just maybe, we'll see 1inch rallying up to the high side. If you want to buy some 1inch in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some 1inch on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on KuCoin, on Uniswap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Billionaires are going to be made by the end of the next bull run. You want to buy when the market is in extreme pessimism, and you want to sell when the market is extreme fear. You want to sell when everybody is pessimistic in the market. But when we head towards greed, we head towards optimism, that will be the best time to sell. And if you want to sell during that time, you have to be willing to buy now when everything is dumping to goblin town. Now, if you take a look at 1inch performance against Bitcoin, we've come to set new all-time lows in 2022. Are we going to see 1inch continue dumping to goblin town against Bitcoin in 2023? Because guys, all coins are notorious for dumping really well against Bitcoin in the bear market. In the bear market, Bitcoin will have to bottom, and after Bitcoin bottoms, then we'll now see other altcoins finding their level in the bear market. So I'll not be shocked to see 1inch setting new all-time lows against Bitcoin in the bear market. If we see 1inch outperforming Bitcoin in 2023, we might pump to the upside, maybe 100% pump. If we're lucky, maybe the pump might even go up 150%, maybe up to 200% from where we're currently trading right now. But ultimately, I don't see 1inch setting new all-time highs in 2023 against Bitcoin. We just had a huge bull run. We have to go through the process of a bear market, and 2023 doesn't look like the year we're going to set new all-time highs. We're going to be happy with 1inch setting new all-time highs against Bitcoin. If you take a look at 1inch performance against Ethereum, we've also set new all-time lows in 2022. How low can we go in 2023? Is the bottom in for 1inch right now? Will it continue dumping against Ethereum and Bitcoin in 2023? I expect to see a rally in the altcoin market in 2023. So maybe, just maybe, we're going to see 1inch pump to the upside. Maybe we'll get 100% pump. If we're lucky, the pump might even go up to 200%. But ultimately, I believe we'll see 1inch dump to goblin town at some point in time in 2023 against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you take a look at 1inch market cap at the $297 million region, if we lose this level, it might be lights out. We might see 1inch dump to goblin town. After the $297 million region, 1inch might find support at the $158 million region. And from where 1inch is currently trading right now, that one final dump to the downside will take 1inch down an additional 44%. What will happen to the price of 1inch if we see it going down 44% from where we're currently trading right now? Guys, we'll see the price of 1inch go from the $0.38 region. The price of 1inch will go down to the $0.18 region. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see 1inch heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming months? How high do you think 1inch will go in 2023? Do you think we'll continue dumping to goblin town or the bottom is in? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.